Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you something really amazing. How to create your own AI voice using HeyGen's instant voice clone feature. Yes, you heard that right. You can clone your voice in just a few minutes. So, let's get started. First, go to the HeyGen website and log into your account. If you don't have one, you can easily sign up for free. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Voice section. Here you will find the option called Instant Voice Clone. Click on it. Now, you'll need to record your voice or upload an audio file. Make sure your voice is clear and recorded in a quiet place. This will give you the best results. After uploading, HeyGen will process your voice. It usually takes just a few seconds. And that's it. Your AI voice is now ready. You can now use this voice to create videos, voiceovers, or even AI content without recording again and again. This is perfect for YouTubers, content creators, and even students who want to save time. Pro tip: try different tones and scripts to make your voice sound more natural and engaging. So guys, that's how you can clone your voice using HeyGen in just a few steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.